Good morning children. In today's video, we will discuss about the imaginary lines on the earth. This is our planet Earth. As you see here, there are no lines on the planet Earth. In fact, if you see this line, even this line is not an actual line. This is an imaginary line. Now, why do we have this line? We have this imaginary line so that the people can understand that the earth rotates on its axis which we have drawn. And this axis is not straight, as you can see in the picture, it is slightly tilted. This axis has two ends which are called poles. The point at the top is called North Pole and the point at the bottom is called South Pole. But this is not the only line that we have drawn. There are so many lines which we have drawn on the earth for our convenience. So let's see some of them. Children, equator and prime meridian are the important lines here. So what is equator? Equator is a line that divides the earth into two equal parts. Similarly, prime meridian is a line that divides the earth into two equal halves. So, what is the difference between both of them? Well, equator divides the earth horizontally while prime meridian divides the earth vertically. That is the difference between both of them. Like I said before, equator is a line that divides the earth horizontally into two parts. One part which is on the north side called northern hemisphere and the another part which is on the south side called southern hemisphere. Prime meridian is the line that runs through the middle of the earth. It passes through Greenwich near London. It divides the earth into two parts vertically. One part which is on the east side is called eastern hemisphere and the other part which is on the west side is called western hemisphere. Now, apart from these two important lines on the earth, there are some more lines have been drawn on the earth. So by taking equator as a base, we have drawn some more lines on the earth. These lines are called latitudes. These lines run in east-west direction. As these lines are drawn parallel to equator, so they are also called parallels of latitudes. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. So total there are 180 degree of latitudes in which equator is at 0 degree. Equator is the longest latitude among them. Each latitude is separated from the other by 1 degree. There are several significant lines of latitude on the earth's surface.